Have you ever wondered how the Doc Pros can create a high-quality document in just 10 minutes? With shortcuts in Lark Docs, you can do it too. Hit the / key on your keyboard and enter the name of the element you want to insert. Then, simply press Enter. For a heading 1 title, type /H1. For a heading 2 title, type /H2, and so on. You can also use this shortcut for tables, callouts, and to-do lists. To insert an element as you're editing a doc, just hit space, then the / key in the name of the element, and voila! You can insert the element! Here's another trick. Press the / key twice, and you can directly insert a date reminder. Master these shortcuts, and you'll greatly enhance your efficiency. Give it a try. For more tips on using Docs, check out the Lark Help Center.